Hi everyone, this is Elena. Welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf. I'm so excited today. Recently I discovered a very old-time face cover of Kazakh's woman Zanuzdalka or Kutalka. You can check online for more information. They have a very interesting history, a very interesting culture. If you like scarf, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to get notifications, and now let's do Zanuzdalka. I will show you two versions of Zanuzdalka that I found. For the first we need two scarves. One should be 35 by 35 inches minimum, and the second can be smaller, 18 by 18. We fold big scarf as a triangle and the small to a band. Now we place the big scarf on the head, cover the forehead and fold it like this. And now we need to fix the big scarf with a small. Now we fold one of the ends like a mask and pass it under the band, just like this. The second end goes under the chin. And now we just tie the ends behind. The beauty of this face cover that you can pull it down anytime and pull it back easily. For the second version of Zanuzdalka, we just need one scarf 35 by 35 inches. We place it on the head like before and cover the forehead. And now we take one of the ends and wrap it around the face, just like this. We form a face cover with the other end and tie the ends on the top of the head. And again, we can pull the mask down and pull it back easily. I love it. Let's see how it looks with a helmet. What do you think? I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of video tutorials you would like to see in the future, because I love the old-fashioned ideas. I love if you send me some pictures and probably I can recreate it. And subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!